Hey there, Patricia. Well, Bike's Fitness back with you today. I want to talk a little bit about muscle maintenance phase of workout. A friend of mine, Albert Towns, who mentioned in his videos, check out his videos, they're really great too, about his weight loss challenge, Enough is Enough. And he has some issues where he's going to not work on building muscle right now. So I told him he probably should check with his doctor, but muscle maintenance is what I did back 10 years ago or longer, 11 years ago. When I was pregnant, I didn't want to build muscle because I was growing a baby, right? So I did muscle maintenance workouts, which means you do everything at about 60% weight that you usually would do, and then you do 20, 30 reps, and you do 2 or 3 sets with a very quick break, no more than 30 seconds in between. So I thought I would do a set for my legs, doing that, so I can show Albert what I'm talking about. All right, for muscle maintenance. And I'm not going to be able to talk and count to 20 probably, so you're going to have to bear with me. And it looks like my cat is trying to jump out the window. Tiger, what are you doing? All right, so we're going to raise and lower leg extensions 20 times without dropping your heel to the floor. Then rest on the same right side for only about 20 seconds, then do it again. It'll get a nice burn in those legs. So I'll show you what I mean, okay? So again, I can't count to 20 and talk crazily, so I'm just going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's 20. Get a little burn going. I'm going to rest about 15 seconds here, watching the time, and then I'm going to do another set of 20. Now I usually can do this for about 15 reps with a good 20-pound weight on my leg here. So this is, roughly 60% or so. All right, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you get a really good burn on those legs, right? So we can rest for another 15 or 20 seconds and do it a third time, because it's really going to burn that leg, and work on maintaining and keeping the muscle that you have, building slightly, but more about maintaining the muscles that you have in those legs, and obviously burning calories and that kind of thing as well. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm laughing. 7 because my cat. 8, 9, and 10. Good. Oh, that's a really good burn because I just did 60 on that leg, right, with little breaks. Okay, let's do the left leg now, because obviously you don't want to be uneven. Tiger, please don't knock over my camera. Okay. All right, let's do this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to rest about 15 seconds here only. Could go up to 30 seconds, but no more than 30 seconds for your rest breaks. And again, it helps maintain your muscles as well. Really slight build, but safe to do when you're not supposed to be doing weight training so much. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's our body weight. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Yeah, it's our body weight exercise here. It's only our leg itself, and it's great for those knees too. If you have any knee issues, it's good to do this at the office or at home, right? And good. Now that really burns pretty good. We're going to rest about another 15 or so seconds, and then do the third set on that leg, and then that's 5 minutes already, right? So we're really enjoying this. And one more set. All right, nice and straight and tall. Keep that posture good and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last 10. A good burn here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it hurts. 8, 9, and 10. I really noticed that the right leg is easier than the left, so I should work on stuff like that, where you work on evening out both legs, right, and getting strong both ways. But it's great to switch from muscle building sometimes into a maintenance for a while to give your body a rest, because you can't just keep building forever. you have to go through phases, and talk to a personal trainer or me if you like about those different phases, and design a plan that works for you, okay? So enjoy that. Thank you so much for joining me. Good luck, Albert Towns. Check out his channel. He's a great guy. And have a great day. Take care.